welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. So in my last video, while decluttering my makeup collection, I shared with you guys a bunch of new makeup that I got that I am interested in testing out this fall. So today I figured I would test out as much as I could to create this look right here. Now make sure to watch to the end of the video. That way you can learn on how you can enter to receive some goodies yourself. Now before we get into it, as always, if you have not done so already, I do welcome you to join my channel by clicking that subscribe button and notification bell. And if you like videos like this, you can let me know by clicking that like button. So if you want to learn on how I got this perfect for fall look using some of my new makeup, then keep on watching. Now in today's video, I'm primarily going to be focusing on the new products, but as always, I will link all the products that I'm using in the description box below. So if you want to see what I'm using or learn more about any of the products, that is where you'll be able to find it. Now the first new product I'm going to use is actually sunscreen. Believe it or not, I've never used this sunscreen. I was able to grab this sunscreen with my last Sephora order. And yes, that is the order that I did pick up the new retro palette from Natasha Denona, though I'm not using that palette today. So far I have been enjoying that palette, but let me know in the comments down below if you'd like me to do a review on it. Now back to the sunscreen. So the sunscreen I'm talking about is the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen with SPF 40. I will say I can see why it is loved. It goes on clear and it was surprisingly very smooth. It felt more like a primer than sunscreen. It did have a slight sunscreen scent, but it wasn't bad. What I love about this sunscreen compared to the one that I usually use, which is the Avon's Hydrofusion Daily Beauty Defense with SPF 50, this one is water and sweat resistant. So I can definitely see myself adding this to my list of staple products. My next new product is Juvia's Place Eyeshadow Primer. I've actually had this for a while and just never ended up using it. So I figured today was a great day to start. And boy, am I happy I did. This is the type of eyeshadow primer I have been loving lately. I will say though, I did pump out a little too much. This seems to be one of those where a little goes a long way. Now, as I'm getting older, my skin tone on my eyelids and around my eyes are not even, and I have some patches of darkness. So with primers like this, I'm able to give myself a clean slate to work off of. Also, I noticed that my eyeshadow lasted all day with this, which I'm going to love for work. I actually think that this is going to replace my MAC paint pot that I have been loving lately. And this one is more affordable. It does come in 3 shades, but be warned, I know at my local Ulta's, these are always sold out. I was lucky to grab this when I did. For my brows, I'm going to use all new products, and I've heard all amazing things about them, so I'm super excited to try them out. I first started with Milani's Precision Brow Pencil to create the shape of my brows. This is exactly what I look for in my brow pencils. The tip is tiny and the formula went on smoothly, but not too smoothly where it made a mess. The spoolie is small, so it was great at brushing my brow hairs into place and brushing any product I applied for an even application. To add definition, I used Milani's Weekend Brow Pen. This too is what I look for. It has a thin tip, which is great for those hair-like strokes. It went on beautifully, and I didn't have to apply any pressure. This actually reminds me a lot of Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pen. Another thing I loved was when putting the cap on, I heard a snap, so I knew it was on good. After the debacle I had with my Urban Decay liner, I am relieved I won't have to worry about the cap coming off. To lock it all into place, I used the NYX Brow Glue. I will say the name says it all. This definitely reminded me of glue. I love that it's clear, and I will say it does lock your brows into place. But personally, I think that this would be more perfect for those who have thicker brows. For me, I just think it's a little too thick in texture. I personally prefer the Maybelline's Brow Fast Sculpt or the Benefit Gimme Brow Gel. Now on to the eyeshadow, and today I'm going to use Profusion Citrine Palette. I thought that this would be a perfect for fall yellow marigold-like palette.
I don't typically wear a lot of yellow, but I think that this is going to be a great way to play with a little color and also stay in the natural end of the spectrum, which is going to be perfect for work. I enjoy profusion shadows. They are easy to work with and they give you variety. You can easily get a soft blended look, or you can build up the shade for a more intense look. For the look, I applied T as my transition shade and then went and applied it in the crease, focusing the shade primarily in the outer crease area. I then went into Dandy with a fluffy blending brush and went over everything I just did to add some yellow. For the lid, I applied Society all over and then added Gold Digger on the center to give it some dimension. After applying a brown liner, I then used e.l.f.'s new mascara, Big Mood. I was really excited to test this out. I heard some great reviews, and the wand looked just like the ones that I love for those bold, voluminous lashes. The thing is, I was not really that impressed. I didn't get the wow effect like I saw others who reviewed this got. I am going to try it out again, but honestly, my first impressions, I'm not a big fan of it. For my lower lashes, I decided to go in with the Tarte Sugar Rush Lash Smoothie. I got this in my September Ipsy Glam bag. I have yet come across a Tarte mascara that I didn't like, this included. This is a perfect mascara for my lower lashes, and I can definitely see myself using this on my top lashes as well with its dual-sided brush. On top of that, it has amazing ingredients to help my lashes grow and become stronger. I can totally see this as being my new go-to everyday mascara. Now that the eyes are done, let's move on to the face. Next, I'm going to test out the new Real Technique sponge. This sponge has been blowing up on TikTok, and I can totally see why. After dabbing my foundation all over, I then went in with the sponge dampened. I could not believe how soft it was. This has got to be the softest sponge I've ever used. What's even better is how fast I was able to blend out my foundation. I was in total shock. This totally beats the Beauty Blender in every single way. After applying concealer, I went in with Magic's Wand from Avon. Now, I've used this product before as a foundation, but today I'm actually going to be testing it out as a contour stick, which I've actually never done before. This is actually designed to be whatever you may need. A concealer, a foundation, a contour. You just got to choose the right shade accordingly. Now, this wasn't my favorite as a foundation, but I did like it as a contour. It was easy to blend out, and it did look really nice on top of my foundation. To set it in place, I used my Pure 4-in-1 mineral powder. I actually got this in my August Ipsy Glam bag, and so happy I did. I've only tried out a couple products from this brand, and I will say I have loved all of their complexion products that I've tried. This is supposed to be designed to be a foundation, a concealer, a powder, and SPF. Honestly, I really only see myself using this as a powder, and it's a bonus that it has SPF protection. To add some warmth, I used the Balm Bronzilla. This is another Ipsy Glam Bag product, and I know that many love this bronzer, so I was interested in testing it out. I will say it is very pigmented. I first went in with my sponge, but then I had to go in with a brush to soften it up a bit. I did like the color though, it went well with my skin tone. Next time I'm just going to use a brush and that's it. I finished the rest of my face makeup and finished off the look with Seraphine's Berry Induced Vegan Lip Gel. The formula was really great. I just wish it had a little bit more pigment. This is probably something that I would wear when I'm just doing a no makeup type of look. Now here is my final look.
Now let's get into the giveaway. So to enter, all you have to do is like this video, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, and comment down below what your favorite fall activity is. Now with your comment, make sure that you provide your email or your Instagram name. That way I can contact you if you are the winner. Now just a little heads up, I am also doing a giveaway over on my Instagram page. So if you do want to enter and learn more about that giveaway, then make sure to check out this image right here over on my page. And that is where you will find all the information about that giveaway. And my Instagram page handle is right here. Now I will provide all the information about this giveaway as well as a link over to my Instagram page in the description box down below. So if you want to check it all out, that is where you'll be able to find it. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed today's video. If so, you can let me know by liking this video and commenting down below. And as always, if you have not done so already, I do welcome you to join us here on my channel by clicking that subscribe button and notification bell. That way you're notified each time I upload a new video. Once again, thank you for watching. Feel free to check out any of the videos here on the screen. If not, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Remember, be kind to yourself and to others. Bye.